Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are so excited to have you again. The Igbos are known to be very peaceful people and they love coexisting with other tribes without having issues. At least we know that at the northern part of Nigeria, as long as some of them had lived there had been no issues in terms of issues that would generate intertribal war and all of that. They are just nice guys who only want to use their ingenuity to make sure that they profit themselves, But unfortunately, fairly recently, we've noticed that there have been several cases of attack, not just on any kind of people, but actually on security formation in the southeast, and it has generated a lot of concern for those who are truly Ndibos. And most people believe that it's just one way of giving the dog a bad name just to kill it, you understand? And while some persons believe that the police have also messed up a great deal, that's why they are suffering what they are currently suffering. But right now, what we have here is a particular youthful group that have decided to expose those who are behind the attack on Southeast State, and they are also using the opportunity to tell the government what to do. We are going to look at the details of the news and also look at what Nigerians have to say about this. But before we do that, we'd like to encourage you to please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you can get notification anytime we publish our videos. All right, let's look at the news in detail. A socio-political group, Igbo Youth Parliament, NYP, has condemned in-season attack on public and private property in the southeast by yet-to-be-identified gunmen. In an interview in Abuja on Monday, the Speaker of Igbo Youth Parliament, Right Honorable Ricky Nwajofo, said the situation was becoming worrisome and must be addressed by concerned authorities. He said, and I quote, "It is with every sense of patriotism that I vehemently condemn the unabated recent attacks on security agencies and their properties, especially on the Nigerian police force and their stations in Igbo-speaking states. I have received several reports of attack on the Nigerian police personnel and the destruction of several police stations, and I make bold to say that this is not one of the attributes of Igbo youths. We are not known for wanton destruction of properties and shedding of human blood. We are known for peace, and we sacrosanctly hold human blood in high esteem. These attacks on the security personnel and destruction of police stations are perpetuated by those who are out to tarnish the good image of Igbo youths and paint Igbo in a color that does not befit us. These unwanted hoodlums and miscreants are the real enemies of our land and the arch enemies of our beloved nation, Nigeria, and should be fished out to face the wrath of the law. These heinous crimes are executed by those who have the intention of killing the dog but have no justification to do so other than to give it a bad name so that people would justify their action when they eventually kill the dog, and this is highly condemnable. I call on all well-meaning Igbo youths at home and in diaspora to condemn the monstrous and disgraceful activities of these enemies of our land and adversaries of our beloved nation. All hands needs to be on deck to assist the security agencies who are working assiduously to protect the lives and property of our people. Let us en masse condemn all these attacks and their perpetrator and collaborate with the security agencies in fishing out the perpetrators who must face the wrath of the law. Igbo-speaking states are known for peaceful coexisting and law-abiding. We are homely people who derive joy in making our visitors relax and to feel at home. We should not be oblivious of the fact that all these destruction of police stations and other public facilities amounts to economic sabotage on our people, as the resources meant for the development of our community will be channeled in reconstruction and rehabilitation of all these facilities that are being destroyed. We are all at great loss if we do not fight against these hoodlums and enemies of our land. I use this opportunity to urge the security personnel, especially the policemen posted to work in Igbo-speaking state, to see Igbos as friends and not foes. Do not unleash your anger on innocent citizens of Igbo extraction. Unbridle your animosity and expiration on the enemies of our nation. Do not extort the people you are meant to protect, as such inhuman and unpatriotic action can turn the people against you. I sincerely condole with the families of all those who lost their lives in all these shameful attacks and undesirable destruction of police stations. May God grant you the fortitude to bear the irreparable loss, and may their dead enjoy blissful rest. This is a youth writing this, and let's look at some of the responses of Nigerians. And this one said, let us also put hands together to condemn the illegal arrest by the Nigerian police force and extortion, intimidation, false allegation being carried out by police in the southeast. 80% of those in detention in Nigeria are innocent citizens. MPF are not doing their work the way they should. They are after the money they will make out of the citizen. This is a serious one. Another person here responded to this person who made this statement. He said, what evidence is there that these attackers are Igbos and not foreign elements sponsored to cause mayhem and give Buhari the excuse to declare a state of emergency? It is quite coincident that this attack happened at the same time that the Fulani murderous healthmen are being expelled from the Igbo land. There's more to this than meets the eye. Another person responded and said, we have to talk about peace before illegal arrests, intimidation, extortion by the police. Life first, destruction of government property, killing of our policemen, innocent students. Let me tell you, all Nigerians are corrupt. Country, right from our leaders to the last 10 years old child. Both the police, civilian, all this security, no one else behind. No judge, only one organization, both you and I. Another person said, there is time for everything under the sun. The unknown gunmen are friends of police. Just the same police are friends of the innocent citizens they have been killing carelessly. This one says the Nigerian police force is the most corrupt organization in Nigeria. If you go to police station across the country, you see people carrying a huge amount of money to deposit in the station. Nigerian police station across the country receive more money than banks on daily basis. Should be restructured. Another person here says we should also condemn Fulani harassment attack on farmers and their killing and put hands on deck to stop them. They even know where the unknown gunman comes from. May God Almighty help us all. Now, a lot of responses are coming in based on what this young man has said. But looking at this issue, we have to also talk to the police also, so that they don't end up raising some kind of persons who will also come back to haunt them. Some persons have raised a lot of issues here. One of them talked about the issue of unlawful arrest, detention, that most people who are in police station or police custody are actually innocent about the crime that they claim that they have committed. Sometimes they stole monies from people. Now, these are some of the things that have given birth to these heartless beings who are going around and causing trouble in our nation. Let's try to correct our way. I believe that from the way things are going, God is out to fix this country for us. Let's align by everybody having a change of mind and aligning himself or herself with the law provided for us. There is a standard of operation in the police force. If they say that if someone do commit this kind of thing, arrest the person, prosecute the person, don't try to force things on people and begin to bring out the animal in them, because from all indication, that is what is causing this whole thing. Let's see how we can live together and, see how we can continue to forge ahead. Ndi Igbos are always very peaceful people. Something should not be done that will kind of stain their name and put the whole state or the whole Southeast on a standstill. We'd like to leave it there. Go to our comment section.